Weatherby here. I'm standing on the all-new 2019 Boston Whaler 230 Outrage. This Outrage offers huge fishing capabilities while a lot of convenient, comfortable features for the family. We'll give you a little walkthrough starting back here at the transom. Great fold-down bench seat here in the rear. Really easy to operate. 3/16 stainless hardware, super durable boat. What's really neat about this rear bow, this transom area, is it offers you a couple different options. Whether you're trolling for wahoo, or you're watching your kids back here doing water sports, you've got a really cool bench seat here. Excuse me. The rear bench seat offers a little bit of flexibility back here where you can wash your kids off the back of the boat, or if you even wanted to troll for a little bit of wahoo, you can man your your reels right here, rods and reels right here with the end gunnel rod holders. Nice through gunnel cleats, tying them off here through the gunnels. And when I was talking about fishing capabilities, you got two really good size in-floor fish box that are macerated. And then when we're coming back up here to the console, multi-position leaning post with backrest. Multifunctional, you've got two places for your feet on the floor, and then when you're using it as a leaning post, real comfortable ride. Now this boat's powered by, the new Mercury Verado 300 horsepower naturally aspirated V8. This motor is brand new in 2019. This is just a great fit for this boat. I was running this boat earlier today. It runs about 47 miles an hour, trim all the way down. Trimmed out, you can probably get close to 50. But moving forward in the console, great room in the console, nice vacuum flush head. Accessory switches and your fuse resets are here on the inside panel. Dual battery switch. And what's really unique about all Boston Whalers too is that you've always got somewhere to hold moving forward in the boat. Rough seas, you've got somewhere to hold the kids, the family. Like I said, the forward makes it very, very comfortable for the family. Nice cooler here in the front. You can also plumb this cooler to use this as a bait well. Okay, big in-floor storage that doubles also as another fish box. Every compartment in the Whaler, of course, is going to be insulated. Just a great family fishing boat. For more information, give us a call at MarineMax Panama.